Today I'm going to be reviewing these beautiful little bumblebee earrings from the brand Barzel. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and review it and give you my full and honest review. So here I have both of the earrings side by side. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look just so you could see what that looks like. Such a beautiful, cute design. They are lightweight. This is what the side of it looks like. The little eyes do have two small little diamonds, but such adorable little earrings. The presentation was absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put one of these on just to show you what it looks like once it's on the ear. This is perfect for the holidays for a gift. Look at that, little bumblebee earrings. They look so nice on. Overall, if you're looking for a good present, or if you are a bumblebee lover or you want something cute for yourself, then I would definitely recommend check these out. Amazing quality, and I absolutely love the presentation.